So if you're someone who is planning to come to Ayodhya, here are a few things that you have to take care of. So if you're looking for a hotel, hotels are not easily available here. Like there are very few options for hotels, and more or less there are lots of paying guests, and there are lots of homestays which are available over here. So if you see, there will be very less reviews also on the maps, Google Maps and other booking websites. So you have to be very careful, like at which property you are going to choose. So right now, after doing a lot of due diligence, I finally found a property which I booked online via Agoda. So I'm going to show you that property, and I have actually booked a triple bedroom which is for my mom, dad and me. So it cost me about 2400 rupees for a single day, and for that I am getting a very decent room. So let me give you a quick tour of the room, and you can probably have a good idea of if you should look at this hotel for your next travel destination option. So this is the entrance, and right away on my left you can see that we have the bathroom, which is pretty neat and clean. So they also have geyser, and you have a western toilet, and they have provided you with soaps and hand wash. Now coming to the room, you can see since this is a triple bedroom, you have a single bed along with a double bed. They have given you a mirror. Then there is a table. They have provided you with drinking water. You have a AC, and from my room you can see the temple slightly. So yeah, this is pretty much the room once again for you. So for 2400, this is a decent deal, and the location is also pretty good. So the name of this property is Rajeshwar Seva Sadan, and this is approximately 1.5 kilometers from Shri Ram Mandir temple, and it is kind of centrally located from all the other places that you would like to visit. So this is going to be an advantage for you. And the room, and so far the service has been pretty good. So yeah, this is going to be a good option for you in case if you're looking for this property. Do book online, which I would recommend, because there you can get it at cheaper rate. They also have food facilities. The thalis start from 130 rupees, which is pretty economical is what I would say. And yeah, hopefully you like this video, and if you did so, do subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a very good day. Thank you.